The pilot at this air show attempting a routine loop when suddenly the jet starts to plummet. Onlookers horrified as it goes down, crashing into a busy road. A cloud of smoke engulfing the area, enjoyment turning to horror for thousands of spectators in West Sussex, south of London. The casualties, at least 7 dead and 15 injured, all of the dead on the road near the air show. The plane that crashed, a 1950s military jet. Investigators say the pilot is critically ill and fighting for his life. Ambulances and helicopters lining up to evacuate the dead and wounded.